Let's learn how to get full screen display. We can hide this mobile, recent key, home key and back key. After we can enable full screen display. Let's learn how to get this feature. Go to mobile settings. Scroll down this page and click on home screen option. Scroll down a little bit. In here you can see system navigation option. Click on it. Now we already enabled buttons method. You can see our buttons in here. If you want to change the button position, you can turn off this mirror buttons option after our button is going to change. Now to get full screen display, click on this gestures option. You can see the instructions how to use this option. If you want to go to your home screen, tap the bottom quickly. After you can go to home screen like this. If you want to open your recent application, you can tap from the bottom and pause. If you want to go to back, you can tap right from the edge and you can tap left from the edge like this. Now we already enabled full screen display. You can see our mobile has very professional look now. If you want to use your mobile like this, you can enable this full screen display option.